Welcome to my channel. Today I have a recipe for a cleaning spray. I've been preparing it for a long time already and it's my everyday cleaning solution. This recipe is very cheap, quick and easy to make, and all you need is only 4 ingredients. The spray not only disinfects and cleans, but also neutralizes unpleasant odors. To make 1 liter of spray, I use 200 ml of spirit vinegar. Then I pour some water over it and add 10 ml of detergent. It can be a dishwashing liquid. Then I fill the container with the remaining amount of water to 1 liter. I use distilled water, but it's fine to use tap water. Finally, I add 10 to 20 drops of essential oil. My favorites are mint, lavender and lemon. They leave the scent for longer and perfectly cover up the smell of vinegar. I mix everything and pour it into a spray bottle. I use the spray to clean kitchen countertops every day. However, be careful if you have natural stone countertops, as the vinegar solution may destroy them. The liquid is also great for cleaning the stove, disinfecting surfaces, and neutralizing odors in the microwave or fridge. It's my #1 solution for cleaning windows and mirrors and does not leave streaks. I also use it to remove limescale from shower glass, tiles and faucets. It's great to clean and refresh the toilet seat. It can also be used for cleaning and polishing car surfaces or refreshing and removing dirt and dust from shelves and furniture. It is also effective in removing fresh stains on carpets or rugs. The liquid has a pH of about 3, so it has quite strong antibacterial properties. However, if you need something more powerful for sanitizing the toilet or deep fridge cleaning, use 50% of vinegar. But the recipe I gave you is sufficient for everyday use and works just great for me. Let me know if you also use homemade cleaning products and how they work for you. I hope you find the recipe useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye!